Welcome to Today Curiosities. Here we'll tell you about celebrities and royalty. During a storm that lasted several minutes in Texarkana, Texas, on Wednesday afternoon, instead of raining drops or hail, residents watched as fish fell from the sky.
Local residents told the Texarkana Gazette that at least 4 locations in the town experienced the fish downpour.
Multiple residents took to social media to share photos of the fish that fell from the sky. If you like the video, give it a like and share it with everyone. Texas police reported.
Animal rain is a phenomenon that occurs when small water animals like frogs, crabs, and small fish are swept up in waterspouts or drafts that occur on the surface of the earth. They are then rained down at the same time as the rain. While it's uncommon, it happens, as evidenced in several places in Texarkana today.
If you are new to the channel, subscribe with notification as I'll continue to talk about these topics. And as always, thank you very much to everyone for being there, and until the next video.